Welcome to this brief lecture on interview analysis. This week's topic emphasizes the underpinnings of verbal and non-verbal forces that interpret the many different aspects of the interviewing frame. The interview analysis model is introduced to offer a systematic framework for interpreting and analyzing the entirety of interview exchanges. In assisting with the dissection of analyzing interviews, there are 5 key elements that can be used in categorically filtering an interview for critique. These include frame, topoi, verbal interactions, nonverbal interactions, and components of social identity. All 5 spheres coalesce to produce the whole totality of the interview interaction, in which a critic can use to fully classify the formal process from opening to closing. With recorded transcripts of the interview as data and recorded visuals in which we're able to observe, along with verbal cues, can help us synthesize and uncover hidden information. This study focuses on data from recorded information that allows critics and analysts to interpret and make judgments as to what is truly occurring through the given interaction. Are there falsities projected? Is there interview bias present? How is the discourse influencing turn-taking of the given interaction? When analyzing interviews with the IA model, more questions can be answered about potential assumptions regarding the interview. We have more clout to answer the question, what is really happening here? The IA model is a way to critique the essence of the interview interaction through compartmentalizing the different avenues of communicative exchanges within the realm of these 5 spheres. The largest and most broad sphere is frame. A frame consists of all the interactive dynamics occurring during that particular instance of interaction. Although this can be thought of as the setting, it is fundamental in understanding the interaction's relationships with temporality, location, body positions, external forces ranging from a live audience composed of many people to whether or not the interview is taking place indoors. There are numerous other outside factors as well, which could impede on frame, such as inclement weather, noisy traffic, or even the pressures of lurking danger. Take a news journalist, for instance. A journalist is going to have an obvious challenge at attempting to gain information in a hurricane, right? So the frame is completely distorted at that point. The other 4 elements in the IA model are situated within smaller zones as illustrated within the larger element of frame. Every other component rests inside another, with an exception to verbal and nonverbal interaction, which nearly rest against each other in the illustration because they are simultaneous in nature and linked. Also, they are represented as equal in size due to the ongoing scholarly debate over which is more influential in communication. The sphere comprised of elements of social identity are represented as one in which overlaps verbal and nonverbal interaction. As a result, each sphere systematically has a direct implication on the interactional forces at play. This week, I'd like you to take a look at these 5 elements of the IA or interview analysis model and use each component to analyze an interview of your choice and an interview in which we will watch together as a course and a class. Thank you.